Hi everyone, there's a job fair going on in our office, and if you want to apply for a job and give interview for over 40 companies, you can call on this number and get yourself registered. So we have offices in Nagoya, Osaka and Tokyo. Tokyo office operates from Monday to Sunday, and Nagoya and Osaka office operates from Monday to Friday. So call this number to get yourself registered. We have an exciting job offer for you. This is a factory work in Yokohama, Kanagawa Prefecture. So the salary is from 220,000 to 270,000 yen. The holidays are from Saturday, Sunday and national holidays plus 2-day weekly. Language skill is not required and only daily conversational Japanese is a plus point. For qualification, if you have forklift driving technician, it is a plus point. The main work would be responsible for pressing, assembling and welding of automobile parts in factory. There's one more job of machine operator for spot welding machines. So if you're interested, call our office. Thank you.